This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for August 8th, 2025. It's currently August 6th, 2025, 12:32 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $632.22. That's USD. And the shuffle video for the August 8th reading was created on August 5th, 2025 at 8:56 a.m. Eastern Time. If you're new to the channel, what we'll cover is the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to give you information about the timing and chart behavior for the day's highest high, lowest low, and best trade opportunities. And we're also going to give you hour-by-hour sequence of chart events as outlined by the prediction. But it's important to understand that not each card's energy will necessarily line up perfectly with 1 hour of time. So there may be cases where you need to give the timing plus or minus an hour or two of wiggle room. Often the timing is right on point, but there's cases where you need to give it that wiggle room. It's the sequence of chart events as outlined by the prediction that's most important to follow, and for that reason, I do not recommend trading this information alone. Please, you should only be trading this information if you have access to our early access subscription with our live Discord trade alerts and live trading view chart link drawings. I'll show you how to get that stuff at the end of the video. All right, so it looks like we've got a breakout that doesn't hold on the 8th. A breakout that doesn't hold. Interesting. Probably right here at the open. Behavior around the high for the day. We have a resistance level that will fall from and then return to in the not too distant future, probably at least once within the time frame of this reading, and if not, then at least once probably the next day, but it looks like more than once here in the time frame of this reading. The low for the day, the lowest low forms when we have a decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher. I should also point out that the high and the low for the day are within close time proximity to each other, and we want to trade around a decline that offers opportunity to open up a long position. So in the pre-market, there's somebody speaking. Most likely this is directly about economics. Either that or it's a woman with earth-type qualities, but my sense is that this has something to do with finance here. Somebody speaking. What they're speaking about can be relied upon and trusted. And it looks like we declined from that speech into a low right around the open. If we're at a low, if we have a sharp drop into the open, I would say, oh, that's a good place to open up a long. If not, I'd probably hold tight for this unexpected move to the upside, taking us out of a low into a high. And then when we've reached a high for the day there in the first hour to half hour to hour and a half, I would look to close that long position, or if I didn't open a long position, I might look to open up a short there. It's a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels. There's a lot of back and forth, like price swinging going on between 10 and 12. And then the Magus card midday offering significant price change or trade opportunity. I think that's probably, it's going to offer a good place to close out of a short if you opened up a short at the highs earlier in the day. More price swinging going on here between 1 and 2. It looks like it's more bearish price swinging. We most likely have a high and a low here. So we probably move to the upside with this Magus card back to a high and then drop into a low around 2 o'clock. So probably another high just after 1 or around 1 o'clock and then a low around 2 o'clock. We have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance between roughly 2 and 3. And then between 3 and the close, we have a notable move higher, full retracement. There's an important range on a multi-day scale highlighted at the close. And it looks like probably at the close, the decline probably into the close, offering opportunity to open up a long position. Yeah. For an overnight swing trade. And then the sneak preview for the following day. We successfully find support, and we'll look at that in more detail when we get into the reading for the 11th. That's SPY for August 8th, 2025. Now, guys, if you're interested in, and you're serious about trading SO meta analysis, the most accurate form of analysis in the world, You want to go to our website, TR for Traders, hover over order now, click on subscriptions. Early access subscription is $150 for the month. You make that money back in one trade. You're basically following with the live Discord trade alerts the same trades that I do for SPY, where I make the majority of my money. And those are in real time live day trades and swing trade alerts. It also gives you access to live chart drawings through the trading view. That's updated regularly. And you get the earliest access to any of our public posts. They come out first on our YouTube channel. They come out first on our Discord channel, excuse me. So all of that for $150 a month. It's significantly underpriced. Much love and appreciation to everybody that goes ahead and supports the channel like that. Blessings to all my angel investors following that rule of karma on the resources tab. I will see you guys on the next one.